Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken rod stats. Start by opening the game settings and confirming your version, then equip the Kraken rod and clear your inventory to avoid modifiers. Use a consistent testing area and note environmental factors that affect results. Record each cast, hit, and loot drop in a simple table so you can compare outcomes and spot reliable patterns over multiple trials. Equip the Kraken rod and prepare a stopwatch or timer for consistent intervals between casts. Focus on one variable at a time, such as damage or range, while keeping ammunition and skill buffs identical. Use clear labels in your log for each trial and calculate averages after a set of 20 or more casts to reduce random variance. Compare results against baseline measurements to determine stat impact. After collecting data, compute average damage, accuracy, and any special proc rates for the Kraken rod across trials. Identify outliers and decide if they reflect real mechanics or measurement error. Contrast modified runs against baseline to isolate the rod's innate stats. Summarize findings with a short list of reliable stats and recommended setups, and plan follow-up tests if results remain ambiguous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.